Viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Akila. Today we will discuss about which type of cough needs attention. The first thing is, as many people know, if you are a smoker, you have cough for more than 3 weeks, it is must that you get it checked. Similarly, any patients who are more than 50 years of age group and especially their work involved exposure to silicosis or asbestosis or dust exposure, they should get the consultation with the doctor. If there is any weight loss or lack of appetite or any breathing difficulty or swallowing difficulty, they must get the consultation. If your immunity levels are already less because of previous cancer or diabetes or any steroid intake, then you must consult the doctor. If any of these things are there, there is a possibility that you may have lung problem like cancer. But currently there are so many medications are available for even lung cancer which gives very good cure rate. The second part is, if you have a fever and phlegm with blood in it, or at night time if you are having fever with the shivering, then there is a possibility of tuberculosis infection which also produces cough for more than 3 weeks with weight loss. So get checked with your doctor, and if it is TB, it is completely curable if you give the appropriate medication and appropriate duration of treatment. The third one is, any kids or people with low conscious level, if they start to cough vigorously during food intake or rest of the time, you have to consider aspiration. Aspiration is when the food or saliva goes into the breathing tube instead of the food pipe. So any acute cough with the breathing difficulty, you need to get checked with your doctor. So these 3 type of cough, please do not neglect and get your self checked with your doctor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to NRG Healthcare and share with your friends.